Why do I look like I want a hot dog real bad?
Makes me want a hot dog real bad.
Because we are gonna transform the dining room and the living room and give it a little patriotic flair. Welcome back to Pots, Pans, and Priscilla. We've enjoyed our spring and summer decor, but now it's time to change it up. This is the staging area and all of this is going in there. Do you guys have a buffet in your dining room? Because I do, and that's where I keep all of my decor. Every season, every holiday, it all goes in here. I don't know if that's what you're supposed to put in here, probably not, but it works great for what I need it for. Wreaths. My boys counted my wreaths one time. It was like 4 dozen or something. I wasn't really paying attention because I don't care about their criticism. We all have our things. Mine's wreaths. I'm still debating red or white. It's like an ivory, but the only reason I'm debating is because the plates are going to be red that they're going to be directly sitting on. It might clash. It's going to clash. It doesn't match. I think these are too sparkly, but let me know what you think. So we don't eat on the plates, we don't use the coasters, and we don't use the napkins. It's all for looks. I don't make the rules, we just follow them. I mean, I guess I do make them, but those are the rules. So I try to buy things that are gonna work in all different seasons. So this isn't like an American flag, but it is gonna be the red, white, and blue. That way you can repurpose it. I don't know if I like these two together though. All right, we're changing the play. We're calling an audible, as Asa would say. Only Asa. So this is too white, like it clashes with the plate, okay? So we're not going with that. These are the ones I had in my mind that I wanted to use, and I should have just stuck with my gut. See, I had them, I didn't have to go out and buy them. I already had them. That brings me joy. It's so pretty. I'm gonna cheat and do this. See, I even like that, but then I think I could do no napkin. I feel like it has enough going on. I think I'm gonna go no napkin this time. Oh boy, I'm changing it up. Aw, it's like a little bandana. And then I love the scalloped edges on the sides. I need like a cowboy theme party. It's so pretty. Aw, I love it. Got a little garland here. It's so cute. It just adds a little something, you know, to the area. I think that's cute. And then I've got to add a little sparkle. It wouldn't be Priscilla without sparkle. I've had these for years. I think I got them at the dollar spot in Target. And I always put them out during our 4th of July food celebration. I put it around the food. It's cute though. I'm gonna turn them this way. Nobody's looking that way. Love it. Aww. This might be an Asa job. It's kind of heavy. And then just kind of slant it, yeah. Aww. I like that. I feel like your grandpa would be so proud, Asa. Remember when he came and he had like all of his Marine stuff on?
Yeah.
I just feel like he would be like, yeah, American.
My Coast Guard dad?
Yeah. No, your grandfather.
Oh, okay.
How cute are these, right? Just for a little, it's just a little splash of red, white, and blue, you know? Like not too much over the top, just a little something, something. I do need to change out those pink flowers, and I think that's it for inside. I am gonna do the front porch, but probably not today because it's raining. Here's all my things for the front porch. I have a cute little wreath. I have a fun mat that I got. And my welcome sign that lights up. And then don't worry, Frenchie has an outfit too. Frenchie's my porch goose, if you didn't know. Thanks so much for hanging out. I hope you enjoy the decorations. They bring me joy, so at the end of the day, that's what matters. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.